I am Tushar Chawade, and here are my team members Pratik Behrwal, Vanchika Mondekar, Sayyid Ayaz, and Anshul Malviya. We are standing here to give a presentation on power reactor, which is our capstone project guided by Harshal Nikam sir. Now I would like to continue the presentation. Here is the content of this project: abstract, course outcome, program outcome, introduction, block diagram, working, component use, advantages, and conclusion for future scope and reference. Abstract. As we know, the use of electricity has been increased. By this, the requirement of power is also increases, and the power is generated through thermal power station by using fossil fuels. Now we think and we know that there is very less fossil fuels and are available in the atmosphere. To reduce the use of consumption of fossil fuel, we have made a device named power reactor. The power reactor is used to generate the electricity without using any input source, and it is not harming the atmosphere by it. Now, next, here is the course outcome, which we have course outcome. Now, first we identify the major source of power in world, then we try to find out the solution of it, and take appropriate decision based on collected and analysis information, and consider the ethical issue related to the power, and we conclude and we finally come to the point to make the device such as power reactor, which does not use any input source to provide electricity to the others. Now, program outcomes. Now we have here we achieve 10 program outcomes, which are first basic knowledge. In this we learn to generate electricity without any source. Means in basic knowledge we have applied the knowledge which we gain from our department, our branch, and we applied it in making this project. Second POE is discipline knowledge, where power generation is a part of electronic system. Discipline knowledge, while making this project, we have maintained the discipline and know the values of the electricity and use it. Now, third POE is experiment and practice. While doing this project, we have experimented a lot of things because it is totally new for everyone to make this device, and the idea is also new for us. So we have made practice and experiment to make the project. Engineering also, PO4 is engineering tools. While to make this project, we have used different kind of tools to mount the components on breadboard and to collect and to mount the device. Now the fifth is the engineering and society. This project operates on the principle of power consumption that doesn't require fuel. Means engineering and society tell us that it is very helpful for society because it does not use any power, fossil fuels from the atmosphere. It is totally based on itself. Now the sixth POE satisfied here is environmental and sustainability. It shows that this project does not create any pollution. That is why it is very useful for environment. I told you that this project is not very harmful. It is not harmful for atmosphere. It is not consuming the energy from atmosphere. It creates its own energy to generate the electricity. Now the sixth POE is satisfied here is ethics. Ethics tells us that this project is very helpful for society because it does not require fuel. We did not require any fuel, any other input source to generate the electricity. Now the eighth POE satisfied here is individual and teamwork. It shows that while making this project, we individually work on it, work on some part of it, and also teamwork is also a major part of this project to create the project. Now, communication. Your mind satisfies the communication. Communication is the very important part of this important part to make this project, because good communication can bring the team together and motivate us to make the project. And now 10th and last PO is satisfied here is lifelong learning. Due to this, we get the knowledge of some components, some devices, and by this we help the society, help the environment. And now I will here program outcomes mapping. As we see the 5 basic COs of our project and program outcomes stage, here is the mapping table which shows that first column shows us that the serial number 1 is CO, which shows COs of our project, and PO1 is the program outcomes which we achieved. Here is the mapping. It shows the level of our knowledge we use to make this project. The first column shows that we have used basic knowledge at very low level while making this project. By this we see second PO, where in second PO row it shows second number in first row, which shows that it is the medium level of mapping. Here we map node. Now by such things we have mapped our POs and COs on the basic of our project. Now I would like to call Anshu Malviya to represent further slides of the project.
Introduction. In the whole earth, the major power source of electricity is thermal energy, and this energy is produced by fossil fuels like coal, petrols, etc., which takes thousands of years to form. As the increase of electricity day-to-day life, the fossil fuel come to end because it is not renewable. So we are going to make a device that replaces major power source. This project can be used possibly any purpose like cars and bikes, homes, etc. Now I call to Pratik Dharwal. So let me introduce first the block diagram of the power reactor. Firstly, you can see a battery, inverter, transformer, phototransistor, and rectifier is used here. And you can also see here is a loop is also created, and the battery of 5 volt and 2.2 ampere is used, which gives to the transformer. But as we know, the transformer works only on alternating current, which is basic, and battery has a nature of direct current, DC. So here we use a inverter circuit to convert direct current to alternating current. And then after temporarily, a phototransistor is used to give an excessive current to the transformer. Okay, so then after the transformer is a step-up transformer which converts 6 volt to 20 volt, and then after you to bulb. And then a feedback from the transformer is given to the rectifier, and then rectifier converts AC signal into DC signal and also step down and given to the battery, and then the battery gets charged. And now a loop is also created, you can see here, and that's why our project does not require any input source. And there is a circuit diagram for inverter circuit. Here a basic transistor BJT, BD140 MOSFET, and a phototransistor 2N5777 is used. And it's a transformer of 6 volt to 20 volt. And I have previously said the working of the power reactor as given here is firstly the battery gives input to the inverter, and inverter converts DC to AC, and then it used to the transformer. And then after the transformer gives output to the bulb and the feedback is given to the rectifier output of the transformer. Okay. And then the rectifier output is given to the battery. This is only the working of a power reactor. So I am calling Ayaz to take the lead.
Component use. So here is the list of the components that we are using in our project. First is transformer, that is step-up transformer, phototransistor, and two transistor, that is BD140, that is the MOSFET, and GT457, that is BJT transistor, and the ceramic capacitor, resistor, battery, and bulb. Advantage of the power reactor. So first advantage of our power reactor is it does not require any fuel because it totally depend on the loop system. And next is it is applicable for most of the equipment like cars, bikes, home appliances, etc. And next is it does not create any type of pollution because our project the reactor is totally noise free and pollution free. And next is the portable power. The power reactor is very small device that can be portable to another space. And next is very small in size compared to other power sources. The power reactor is very small in size compared to other power sources like turbine engine, etc. Next, now I call you Vanshika Mondekar for further.
So we are having a conclusion. We have concluded that the generation of power electricity is possible by figure and power in such like solar energy fields, etc. will give electricity continuously. Next slide, please. Future scope. Alternative to all major electric source such as thermal power plant. It is applicable for the electronic device. Electronic device consume electricity. It is possible for repair. It is possible for repair.
एक काम कर फिर से जल्दी से कैलकुलेशन बोल दो फीचर स्कोप चालू कर दे ठीक है होगा ठीक है फीचर स्कोप से जा देखो यहाँ से बोलना वहाँ से वही पे है हाँ बोलो हाँ
Is it possible for replacement of power source?
और उसमें थोड़ा आवाज बढ़ाना ठीक है
Future scope. Alternative to all major electronic source such as a thermal power plant. It is applicable electronic device consume electricity. It is responsible. It is the possible replacement of all other such device. Next slide, please. This is the reference. We want to collect the data our presentation.
Thank you.